So violinisti, so we're going to do Silent Night. This one, let's have our usual analysis. So treble clef is there, F sharp, so there's no C sharp, so watch out for F. There's going to be a few cases of C's, so watch out, your second finger is going to go here, not here, it's going to here, C natural. And then watch out, we've got lots of legato, so many notes are going to be done all in one bow. And then we've got also some ties, which are basically the same note, just needs to be played all in one bow. So it's part on one bar, part on the second bar. It's particularly on the last note, you'll see it. And it will just be very, very long. So instead of counting just three, it's going to be the last two bars melted together. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you need to go really slow with the bow, otherwise you're going to run out. And then it's going to be quite embarrassing, especially if you're in an orchestra and everybody else is still using. Watch out, there's also a little repeat in the middle. As you can see, so there's some little dots. You need to go back to where the dots reappear. And so just do that little section, but you'll see it if you follow the music. Okay, let's get started.